Do you want to know how you can log into your IIFL Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your IIFL Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for IIFL Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of IIFL Mutual Funds. Go ahead and select you are a client or partner. So there are different login options. If you choose client, you can log in using your mobile number or your client code. After you write your mobile number and client code in this box, go ahead and write down your password. You can also look at your password and check on it, make sure it is correct, and then click submit. This way you can log into your client portal in IIFL Mutual Fund account. If you want to log into your partner portal, go ahead and click on partner, select your category. The categories are RM, sub-broker, FAN. So go ahead and choose your category and then write down your user ID, your password, and then click submit. This way you can log into your partner portal in your IIFL Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.